Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you want to take a screenshot on Windows, you generally used to hit print screen key on keyboard or Windows plus, but did you know Windows 10 has a tool that giving user more control on screenshot. By using this tool, you can capture a part of the display also if you want. So the name of the tool is Snipping Tool. So you have to enable this tool. So first in search box write Snipping Tool. Snipping Tool. Here you can find the Snipping Tool. Click on it and then open the page that you want to take a screenshot. Suppose this is the page I want to take a screenshot. This is the news channel page on. Okay, and this is my Snipping Tool. Then once you are ready to take the screenshot, click on new. Click on new, and here you can find there is a 4 options available: free form snip, rectangular snip, window snip, and full screen snip. So anything you can choose. Suppose if you have selected freeform snip, you can click and draw the shape you want, and in rectangular shape you can click as a rectangular form, and if you click on window snip, you can click on the particular window you want to take screenshot of. And same as in full screen snip also, you can take the full screen snip. Suppose here I have to select the rectangular snip, so click on the rectangular snip, and after that you can find the screen will be fade out, headings as a screenshot, just rectangular. I am using rectangular shape. One thing you just keep in mind that once you have stopped pressing the right click, the screenshot will be taken automatically. Here I am stopping the right click and you can see the selected area will be my screenshot. So the Snipping Tool page will open. From here we can, there are a lot of options over here. If you want to pen down something, if you want to highlight something, you can use this tool. When you want to save this file, just click on this. After that, suppose I am save it on my desktop, click on desktop, and from here save as type, you just find, you can save it as a PNG file, you can save it as a GIF file, you can save it as a JPEG file or single file HTML format also you can save. Okay, one thing I just want to tell you that if you want to click on this page, click on this. From here you can email recipient, you can send this also email recipient, you can send this screenshot as a attachment also. So finally I am click on this and I have to save it on my desktop, and I name it capture, it's fine, and I save as type as JPEG, and then click on save. And you have to cross this to minimize this, to check. You can find the capture, double click on it, the page will open. So this is very useful tool that giving user more control on the screenshot, isn't it? So that's it. Hope this tool help you a lot in your work. If you like our video, please do subscribe and share it with others. Thank you.